Hello, come back again with learning Thai with Tuk today. And today we're gonna learn, and it's still in the category of the animal. So the second one that we're gonna learn now is the word that everyone know about it. And someone will say dog is your best friend. That is the way that we talk about.Definitely that word is dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog in English, but in Thai we say สุนัข sunak, sunak, or หมา 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 is a bit more like informal word, like everyone talk about it. หมา Look at that dog. มองไปที่หมาตัวนั้นสิมองไปที่หมาตัวนั้นสิ Look at that dog ดูที่หมาตัวนั้น Look at that dog But if you want to make it in a bit more formal like more polite you can say สุนัข 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 So the same sentence Look at the dog มองไปที่หมาตัวนั้นสิWe talk in general like with friend that is not very polite like just normal but when we say like to me look a bit more polite we say look at the dog มองไปที่สุนัขตัวนั้นสิ look at the dog ดูสุนัขตัวนั้นสิ look at the dog ดูที่สุนัขตัวนั้นสิ look at ดูที่ look at ดูที่ that dog สุนัขตัวนั้น that dog สุนัขตัวนั้น Look at the dog สุนัขตัวนั้น So that is another word that we learned today So dog in English in Thai we can say two together One is หมา 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 or สุนัข 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 You can choose whatever you like basically people here understand anyway So thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.